So hello everyone. So in this video, let's understand about logical operators. Okay, logical operators are simple things. Okay, another thought, very simple. Let's understand what they are. There are three types. Okay, logical operators are of three types. These three operators. Okay? And or not. We'll see what these are. Okay, we'll see what these are. Firstly, if in case you have no idea about gates, let me tell you. See, they are basically going to give us boolean. Okay, I'll tell A and B. That means, is this true? And even this is true. If the answer is true, then give me true. We'll see where we'll use it. Don't worry, we'll see where we'll use it. Okay, so before actually going into detail, let me actually give you the something called as truth table. A very simple thing, not the third. Truth table basically means, let's say here output. Okay, so output will give you, let's say y. This is your end table. See, if your even a is true, even your b is true. Okay, example, I have written here answer. Okay, answer I've written, and I got answer 2, right? So this is true. If this is both are true, then answer will be true. If this is true and b is false, b assume that this is answer 2 is b. Okay, and this is answer, this is a. Okay, we'll do it, don't worry, but right now it's important to understand this. So it will be 0. If this is 0, this is 1, then this will be 0. If this both are 0, then obviously answer will be 0. This is your AND tab. Okay, in case this is also true, this is also true, then only it will be true. Okay, come with the OR operator. OR basically means that, see, I have no worries. If any of them is true, then my answer will be true. Okay, let's take here. OR means this. Okay, this double pipe symbol, and this is this symbol. Okay, see, if one is true, actually it should be starting like this: 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, doesn't matter. So 0 0 will give me 0 1 0. If any one of them is true, then answer should be true. If any one of them is true, it means now A is true, then one answer is true. If both of them are also true, then that's great, it's true. Okay, we'll have lots and lots of uses of it, so I'm just giving you the basics right now. Obviously we'll see their applications and all. Okay, and not basically means it will convert your answer into false or true. Okay, if I write here not of bool. Okay, so if your, let's say my answer value is 1, that means it's true. Okay, if I write here not of answer print, or basically if I write here cout not of answer, then it will give me false. Okay, whatever is the value, change it. Okay, if it's 1, give it 0. If it is 0, then give it 1. Okay, making sense what I'm saying? 3 gates clear. Let's understand what are and how we're gonna use it. Let's say I have a program. Let me just clear this part. I'll just clear again. Great. Let's say I have a program and I'm writing here, is a less than b, and is a equal b. That means I'm checking that, hey, is a less or even less, and even it is equal. Obviously we have a symbol that is a less than equal to b, we can check at the same time, but I just want this thing. Okay, or rather let's take some more things. This should be fine. Okay, let's take c and d. Let's take the values inside of it as well. So just copy here the values c and d. Okay, just write like this so that it makes sense to us. So c in c comma d. Okay, c and d. Okay, assume that I'm checking. Okay, my first answer is checking that a is less than b, and second answer is checking is c less than d. Okay, c less than d. We might require, right, check that 4 values are given. Check first of all a and b, who is lesser. If a is less, great. If c is less, then that's also great. So what will happen is, let's take here answer, or rather let's say int bool, or let's give here answer any value. I'm just saying this. Okay, and it should be boolean because it's gonna give us boolean. So I'm saying, okay, is answer and answer 2. What does this mean? It means that is, if your a is also less than b and also c is less than b, then print true. Okay, so let me just print here true. Does this make sense what I'm saying? Okay, right now let's comment this out. Let's see. Let's see. I'm saying that, see, these are just the basics. Okay, we'll use them a lot of, n number of times, but right now it's important to know the basics. Okay, so say A is 1, B is 2. So is A less than B? Yes, this will give me true 1. Okay, next is C is 5, your D is 10. C is less than 5 or 10? Yes, it is less. So I'm saying, okay, even this will give me true. So come here and check answer. Is answer also true? And even answer 2 is true. If they are true, then just print true. If any one of them is false, then print false. Okay, let's see what I'm saying. And it should be a boolean since it's gonna return a boolean, so it will be a boolean. Okay, so let me give us the values. Let me give the values. Okay, see properly. Let's give the values as, okay, like 1, 2. That means these are for A and B. Okay, again it's asking enter the values of C and D. C, let's give me 5 and D is 10. So what are we expecting the answer as? We're expecting 1 because even 1 is less than B, A is less than B, and C is less than D. 1. Making sense? If any of them is false, okay, if any one of them is false, let's say this thing. Let's say my A is greater. Okay, I have 3 and 1. That means now A is greater. So even if my B is smaller, then also it will give me 0. Because although this is true, but this is gonna give me false. Okay, answer value is gonna give me false. Right. Making sense? If here I had this operator, okay, let me just even clear it. If I have this operator, that means if any one of them is true, that means I'm fine with it, no worries. If my A is less, or even if my B is less, it's fine. Just say it's true. Okay, so let's do that. So let's take the same example. Let me give A is greater, so 3 and 1. So obviously that should return me false. And let me take this as 5 and 10. Then we have used OR operator, we should get 1. Make sense? What if both of them is false? Even if my A is lesser, A is greater, and even my C is greater. So let's take A is 3, B is 1, C is 5, and B is 2. Okay, D is 2. Okay, so obviously we'll get 0. Right? Understanding what we're doing till now? Okay, I hope it's making sense. Right. Now one more thing. Let me see. I got the answer, and let me write here. See out negation of answer. So is, okay, not of answer. So if my answer is true, okay, if my answer is true, then this will give me false. This not of answer. Okay, if my answer is false, then this not of answer will give me true. Okay, it's like, okay, whatever way maybe the value of answer, just print the opposite of it. Okay, so let's do it. So since we're using OR operator, let's give both of them as true. Okay, so even one A is 1, B is 2. That means A is less than B. Similarly, let's make C as 4 and this is 6. Then both of them are true. Okay. Okay, I did not give a space, so I think you are making it's confusing, but it's not confusing. See, it's 1 here and 0 here. Okay, so let me just show it again by giving a space. If I come here and give a line, that means print in a different line. Okay, like kind of enter. Okay, enter. Okay, so let's do it again. Let's give here 2 4 5 7. Okay, any number. So what's happening out here? See, this is true. It means 1. This is also true. 1. So 1 or see 1 or 1 will give me 1 because this is OR gate, right? And what is the negation? Negation is 0. So answer of 1 will become 0. Okay, negation of 1 will become 0. And if it was negation of 0, it will become 1. Okay, this is the uses of logical operators. Okay, we have lots and lots of use of it also. Okay, just clearing your doubts, clearing your basics. Okay, right now, and telling you that they actually return us boolean. Okay, why we are going to use this? We are going to use them in conditional statements. Conditional statement means if something is true, do something. If it's not true, then do something. We'll see when we'll do that. Okay, so I hope the operators are clear. Right, operators are really clear. Okay, very important thing. Just make that clear and see you guys in the next videos. Okay, thank you.